Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas futures, let me show you, on May the 7th, 21 days ago. And my main assumption was that we have to see the rollover to the downside. We might have another, not the biggest leg to the upside, and then we should have a rollover in order to complete the fifth wave on a smaller scale. That is the part of the fifth wave on a bigger scale. That is the part of the C wave of the retracement on the biggest scale. And here is the actual price action. As you can see, we were somewhere at this point, and we have this movement to the upside. And definitely, I didn't expect that this asset again will have about 28% of upside potential during this movement to the upside. And for now we started to go lower. And guys, I was wrong with my prediction. I didn't expect this quite high movement, but at the same time I told you that we have to have more confirmation and we have to find out where we are on the price chart. And if you watch my video on a consistent basis, you know that my win rate is up to 80 and even higher, 80% or even higher on the certain assets. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. On top of that, if you want to enhance your trading skills and if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. This means it is pretty much one-on-one trading for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So let's continue with the price chart again. I have to say that I told you in my previous video that the invalidation of the bull count will be breakout below this bottom, the range of about $1.589, and at the same time we might invalidate the bear count by breaking above the range of $3.38, and we don't have any breakouts above or below these crucial ranges. That is why we have to rely on quite different signs that we have during this price action. And in a minute I will show you what should we expect next, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And let me show you this news. We are on fxstreet.com, and this article was published just yesterday, and it's titled "Natural Gas Up Nearly 3% on its Road to Recovery." Let me quote these bullet points. Natural gas prices have declined over 5% from last week's peak at $3.16 as traders book profits. EU court ruling on Gazprom payments might see disrupted gas flows in Austria. And guys, definitely this type of news is not so favorable for the natural gas prices, and that is why we have to be quite cautious with any positions, because we have an uncertainty on the market. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me zoom out to a daily time frame and let me show you what basically where we are now. We have this highest point of the price at about $10 mark that was set on Monday 22nd of 2022, and from this top potentially we have this type of retracement, and it is in the simple zigzag shape. And we had A wave to this point, we have B wave to this point, and this structure is very straightforward, and it is in line with the Elliott wave theory. And we have this structure, the C wave, and this structure is not so common, is not so usual for the C waves. We have to have 5-wave structure on it, and basically we were forming this as our first wave, this is our second, this is our third. This is very extremely long, I would say, in terms of the time the fourth wave, and we are forming the last leg to the downside that again should have 5 waves in it. Why I don't like this type of breakdown? Here's why. We have very small in terms of the time, 1-2 waves that lasts only 23 days, and we have very extremely long fourth wave of 251 days. Definitely it is not the best price action, it is not the best structure, but for now I don't see any other types of breakdown of this price movement. So, and if my assumption is correct, we are still in the fifth wave, and we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, this is our fourth, and we have a huge overlapping of on the territory of the first one, and the fourth wave hit quite high target, and for now we have the retracement. And guys, this price action is not so common for the fourth wave. Definitely we have, let me delete unnecessary tools, definitely we have a chance to have the C wave at this point, and we have the fourth, the potential top of the fourth wave right here. And it should be a diagonal. As you can see, we have a huge overlap of the fourth wave on the territory of the first one. But at the same time, this movement to the upside might be the beginning of a new uptrend. And in this case, this might be the bottom of the ticker symbol NG1 exclamation mark for the long period of time. And if this assumption is correct, potentially we already completed all waves, all the retracements at this very point, and we have 1, 2, and this potentially might be the third wave. If it is the case, the third wave usually hit 1.618 extension level. Let's do some measurements. If I pull the fib extension tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave and to the bottom of the retracement, so we broke 1.618 and we didn't hit 2.618. So it is acceptable for the third wave, but in this case, in order to confirm this third wave, we shouldn't break this level at about $2 mark, because in this case it will not be a motive wave, and in this case we still we will have a lot of doubts as well. So what should we expect next, guys? We have to wait, because there is a lot of assets on the market that have much more clear price action and much more clear structure. And this ticker symbol is not the best one in terms of its position. We are in some kind of undecisive phase. That is why we have to be very cautious with any positions. So let me show you its crucial points. If this asset breaks about $2.944, we will have the chance that we have a movement to the upside that should complete the 5-wave structure to the upside. First 5 waves on the third wave on a bigger scale. And the next range that this asset shouldn't break in order to confirm its bullishness is this one, is $2 mark. If it breaks it, we will have again a lot of doubts to have a bull count. If it breaks this bottom of about $1.6, we'll confirm the bear trend. And if it breaks this $3.4, we will confirm the bull trend, because it will break the previous top according to adequate wave theory. And in this case, we will have more chances to hit higher targets in the long-term perspective. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium.